And we draw a ray up to the mirror on the left side, thick, and after that dotted. Do you understand? Up to mirror, thick, after that dotted. Means this ray appears to pass through F. Okay, ray is traveling in such a direction that suppose if this mirror is not there, then it is surely going to pass through F. It appears to pass through F. But on the way it meet mirror. So therefore after reflection it becomes parallel to principal axis. After reflection it becomes parallel to principal axis. So parallel. So here it strike and becomes parallel because this ray is heading, moving towards F. If mirror is not there, surely this ray should pass through F. Right? But mirror is there now actually. Right? Therefore, this ray becomes parallel to principal axis. Here actually passes through F and becomes parallel. Here appears to pass or heading towards F, appearing to pass through F. But because of reflection it becomes parallel to principal axis. This is second rule for convex. First rule for convex already we have done, and this is second rule for convex. Now third rule, third one. So for the third rule, see, I will show third rule also. What is that? You know, this is slightly difficult part for you to understand. That's why I am taking more time. Now again, so mirror already I have told you how to make it. I made already ready. C, F, and this will be P. Now third rule is, if a ray is passing through C, means before reflection it passes through C. It passes through first C, here it is C. Then strike the mirror. Then what happens? Then this ray retraces its path backward. Means the ray strikes here and goes along the same path backward, exactly backward, retraces its path backward. The ray strikes here and goes back along the same line. So any point, any ray which join C and the mirror, so that will retrace its path backward. Do you understand? And in this case here, in higher classes you will understand, the angle of reflection is angle of incidence is also 0 and angle of reflection is also 0. So this is third rule. And same way now here, you know, now ray cannot reach C. Why? Because C is at the back side of the mirror. This is convex mirror. This is reflecting side. This is painted side. Right? So how C, that ray can reach C? Okay, but at least it can appears to be heading towards C. So this ray is going towards C. I put the scale on C and draw the ray, back side dotted, front side thick, like this. This ray is heading towards C. Means if this mirror is not there, ray is surely going to pass through C only. Right? But it meet the mirror here on the way. So therefore, after striking the mirror, it retraces its path backward. So what is the wording for this? A ray, okay, ray which is moving towards the center of curvature gets reflected back along the same path without any deviation in concave and convex mirror. Here it actually passes through C, then retraces its path backward. Here the ray is moving towards C, heading towards C, going to pass through C, appears to pass through C. Any word you can use. But because it cannot reach here, before that it retraces its path backward. This is your third rule for all the third rule for concave and convex. Now come to the fourth rule. What is fourth rule? Fourth rule is rarely used. See, wherever ray strikes, suppose the ray strike at P. In this case they are showing the ray striking at P. So I am also making a ray which strike at exactly at P. Right? and any point on the mirror, that is P, and C, any line joining P and C. It can be P and C from here, even if the point is here, then also line joining P and C, or if the point is here, then also line joining this point on the mirror and C. Any point on the mirror and which join with C is perpendicular, right? Because radius is perpendicular to the circle. Keep it in mind, and this is mathematics, geometry. So angle between the incident ray and this, because it is perpendicular here at P, this CP line is perpendicular, and hence this becomes angle of incidence. Okay, angle of incidence. And you know, with the help of protector, you can make another angle of reflection here on P, but along this CP line you make on the other side. Again, if this is 30, make 30 angle on the other side also. If this is 40, make 40 angle here. This is 50, make 50 angle. Why? Equal I is equal to R, because according to law of reflection, I is equal to R. That is why I am saying. So make it here and draw. So whatever is angle I, same is angle R. So I is equal to R. If I is 20, R is 20. If I is 30, R is 30. If I is 50, R is 50. Same way. Exactly in the similar fashion here also. If a ray strikes at P, okay, it strikes at P. Right. Now any line joining the point on the mirror and C is perpendicular. This is perpendicular line, and we extend it. So angle which the incident ray make with the perpendicular I, and we know I is equal to R in reflection. So make, with the help of protector, make another angle 30 in this direction, and with this here you have to use protector, right? This will be R. I and R both angle, this and this both will be same. This is fourth rule for making diagrams, ray diagrams. Okay, but all these four rule you have to learn. You have to make it actually 3-4 times. I'm saying 3-4 times. Each and every diagram you have to make 3-4 times. Then only you will understand what is the meaning of this, right? So these are rules for making ray diagrams in case of concave and convex mirror, right? Thank you.